Alright, once again guys, para kung asan nga ba si Paracos, kita niyo ba guys? And there you go, diba? Sabi ko siya, napakamang kulay. Familiar sa inyo, ha? Okay, once again folks, that is para our blue and gold maka with Kuya Michael. Okay, at syempre hintayin lang muna natin si Kuya Michael kung may pa-free seats pa tayo ngayong hapon, no? At syempre, wait lang. Alright naman, bubuntahin muna natin si Barak kay Kuya Michael. Mukhang nahihiya siya ngayong hapon sa'yo, Kuya Michael, ah. Okay, sige. Alright. Okay, ayan na. Sige, lapit na lang daw, Kuya Michael. Saglit lang to, ha? Alright, ayan na, boy. There you go. Alright, Kuya Michael, may pa-free seats pa tayo ngayong hapon. At mukhang meron daw ng mga kiddos natin na nasa harap. It's your time na, guys. Lapitan natin si Kuya Michael. Bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds ni Kuya Michael. In short, i-feed natin si Barak. Okay, don't worry. Don't be scared. Barak won't bite you naman. Just open your hands lang, mga kiddos. And then, mga kiddos, be gentle lang. Hawak mong trawad nyo pong try. Hawakan si Barak, ha? Alright, i-feed lang natin. Bibigyan lang natin ng sunflower seeds. Pero guys, by the way, limit lang po yan, no? Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, don't worry po. You'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors. So, meaning, we have our animal petting, picture taking time.